How to make digital art in Picsart. Want to create your own digital masterpiece? Here's how to make digital art in Picsart. First, open a blank canvas at your desired size. Use the brush tool to start sketching your concept, adjusting size and opacity as needed. Build up layers of color and detail using different brushes and blend modes. Add texture, highlights, and shading for depth and realism. Once your artwork feels complete, export it in high resolution to share or print. Have you tried digital art before? What style do you like? Realistic, cartoon, or abstract? Let us know in the comments below. Work on multiple layers to keep elements separate and easier to adjust. And that's how you can make digital art in Picsart. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.